Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mary. So I decided to make my first skincare related video. So in this video I have shown how I do a facial cleanup at home. So let's get started. So every once a week I like to exfoliate my skin. So for the exfoliation I use this face called Mamaearth Upturn face wash. It's actually a face wash but it has those small granules which is used for exfoliation. So I use this to exfoliate the skin. It gets rid of all the dead skin cells and any whiteheads from the skin. I'll be doing my face wash and exfoliation with this one product. So in this video I'm going to show just two products which I use for the cleanup, and the third one will be just a moisturizer. So let's get started. So I'm going to wash my face with this first. Okay, so my face is damp. I don't apply it under the eyes, just all over the face, and concentrate mostly on the nose. I just exfoliate just for a minute or so, and then I wash it off with water. So I have already washed my face, and now I'm going to use this face mask, and it's from the same brand, Mamaearth. It's a little dirty because I've used it a lot. Yeah, I've finished quite a lot of it, as you can see, and I like it. If you have any special occasion to go for, you can use it before. It gives a nice glow to the skin. So I'm going to use this now after my exfoliation routine. So I apply it all over the face except the under eye region. I'm going to keep this for 15 minutes and then wash it off. I washed off the mask. Then I use this Blackhead removing tool. It's like this. Okay, and the other side is like this. I use it to remove whiteheads. So I move it on the nose. Press it little bit and extract any remaining whiteheads or blackheads on the nose. Apply my moisturizer, little bit of this moisturizer. It's an oil free moisturizer. I use very little quantity because my skin is already oily, so I just use this much quantity and apply it all over my face. Okay, that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please do leave a like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you like more of makeup related content, then I have an entire playlist which I will link in the description box below. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.